So I'm going to test the Bullet G. Wow, it's kicking really good. I'm going to test the Bullet GT uphill to see how good it can climb. And pedaling actually not bad at all compared to some mini bikes I pedal, so it's still fun. And the motor is not as loud as many other bikes, so the motor actually pretty good, quiet as you can, and so it's a lot of fun. Just accelerate on the throttle only. And I weigh about 215 pounds. If you're lighter, it will accelerate much faster, most likely. But even with my kids on the bike, with weight over 270, let's say they weight about 28 kilo, it's like over 60 pounds. So yeah, over 265, 270 pounds together, we still accelerate very quick. They like it. It's kind of a roller coaster for them. Over here, gonna fly a little bit. Wow, I got some air. This jump was nice. And the hill is right there. It's pretty steep. Many people cannot even walk up this hill sometimes. I noticed like it's very hard to get uphill. I'm not sure what's the grade, honestly, but I'll use throttle only to see if I can go uphill and to see how much watt power it will take. And if it can go. Actually, I never took 750 motor up here. Usually I took few 1000-watt motors, and I took 250 motors, I think. No, 400-watt motors over here, and 500. The 500 actually burn out controller on the halfway. So let's see how it will go. Let's go. So here's the hill. As you can see, you probably don't see the end because it's very steep. So it's going about 16, throttle only, 15, 12, 11, so the mileage drops, and it's about 12, almost 1300 watt peak power takes right now. And I'm passing the point where the 500 watt motor died. I mean the controller, and I'm keep going, and I'm keep going. I wonder if any other 750 motor will make it up here. So I'm keep going about 8.5 miles an hour with 1000 watt power Bafang motor. It was going about 10, I believe, miles an hour, or maybe 8 actually, and I'm actually keep going. Very good, very good. I'll show you how bad the hill is, and I actually made it. I didn't even think it will make it, but it made it. Surprisingly, really surprisingly, because I didn't expect it. Because when the bike set for high speed, usually the torque will be less, depends on the motor. But look, it's very steep hill, and I'm gonna go downhill now and see how the brakes works. Mechanical brakes usually cannot really stop on this, it will keep rolling. So alright, so let's go down hills now and try to brake, see if it works. I'll brake like, I'll go about maybe, wow, 29, 31, 33, 35. Wow, it's brake not bad. I didn't want to burn the tires, but I start to brake close to the car, maybe about 10 meters, get about 30 miles, 36 miles an hour. Not bad. I could go probably faster if I didn't brake, but I didn't want to. It feels good. It's bike very solid. I even smell a bit braking smell, like, you know, burning. So get overheated maybe when you brake. But so far so good. Actually, it made it all the way to the uphill, which really impressive. And it's another proof that you don't really need more gears if you're gonna get like 1000-watt power this type of bike. Not everything, like, it's all depends on controller and the way they're gonna set it up. I still believe in Raev that they're gonna make it a very powerful 1000 motor bike, which gonna perform and outperform many other brands right now popular. So you might want to hold off if you want to buy another brand, because you're gonna be kind of have remorse buying other brand, because not only this bike looks much cooler, but also it might be even faster and might be more powerful. And that's about it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe and like it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.